That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head. And I know that.
Okay, so as you saw yesterday, I was actually wearing the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and it was actually my first time trying it and wearing it, and I wanted to do a quick review on it. And plain and simple, like, I really like this foundation. Like you saw, I am in the color 24. Well, I'm in the shade 24 called Nutmeg. It was so exciting to me to find like my exact color because it's been so difficult lately with a lot of these foundations, like given like the red undertones, which I don't have a lot of that red. So it was hard to like find one, and this was like perfect, like my perfect foundation in a jar. So I really love it for that point. Also, some other key points that why I really like this foundation is that it has a pump. Number one, like I have a lot of, I don't even have them over here, I have a lot of other foundations, mostly drugstore, but they don't come with a pump, and that was so much more convenient. I love the fact that it has SPF in it, so it has an SPF of 20, just because, you know, a lot of times people don't think you should be wearing like sunscreen even like in the fall and winter, but it's super important, so that I like that about it. It says flawless medium to full coverage, lasts all day. Creamy blendable texture for luxurious okay, it says creamy blendable texture for luxurious comfort. Stay true mineral pigments designed for all skin tones. It's like medium to full, but I still liked it because obviously I have freckles, and I love the fact that it wasn't like caking up my face and like covering my freckles, because I want to wear foundation, but I don't want my freckles to completely disappear. So I like the fact that this still gave my freckles some life, if that makes sense. I wore it for an extended period of time yesterday. I wore it for about 12 hours. I put it on around 2 o'clock in the afternoon and took it off at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I fell asleep while I was putting my daughter to sleep. So I ended up like sleeping for about a good hour and a half with it on, and I really like that when I got up, my face like wasn't, number one, all over the pillow, and two, it still looked good, but this one felt like skin. Like I put it on, put it in, and it felt amazing. So it just didn't feel like I had anything on. I guess I'm gonna do the rest of this review with her on me, but I'm pretty much done. Overall, the overall consensus is I really like the foundation, and this is definitely going to be like my go-to. So that's it for this review. Let me know down below if you have like any holy grail foundations that you love, or if you've even tried this Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. Let me know. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I would love to see you here every Tuesday and Friday. So make sure you subscribe so you can come back every Tuesday and Friday. So until then, I'll see you next time. Bye. That's it for this review. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. Sorry, my child is shaking a thing of nails. No.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, here, Mommy, because you're messing up my stuff. No, baby. Oh, you've been here for 2 minutes and you've already created a mess. Awesome.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, Pumpkin. I love you.
Ow!
Don't put things in your mouth. What was that? Did you put it in your mouth? Do not put that in your mouth, honey. My child then found the lash glue. Child, look this. Do you see this? She's already did this to my beauty blender. Like this, I don't even know when she did it. When did she do this? You doing your face? Show me. You doing it? You doing it? This girl's something else, man. Eyelash curler. Look at the camera and say, I do my eyelashes.
I
You have eyelashes with your dirty face.
got it.